About to meet that family that continues to serve Mexican flavors and traditions in the East Valley. Here's Nicole Gutierrez.
I'm originally from Sinaloa and my wife is from Jalisco. The combination and fusion of those two areas is really what we bring to the table here at Taqueria Factory.
The Garfio family brings a taste of Mexico to the East Valley with its spices, its recipes, and dishes.
So we have tacos, right? We have quesadillas, we have quesadillas, we have what we call mulitas, we have what's called vampiros.
The food is made from scratch and so are their refreshments.
We wanted to provide to the Latin community and have a place where not only can you enjoy authentic, Mexican tacos, but also have those authentic Mexican drinks that we all love and make at home.
The Taqueria factory in Chandler is connected to Frutilandia, a franchise they also own that serves Latin and Mexican treats.
So it's kind of a one-stop shop. You have your meal and then you go have dessert.
Our mangoneadas, our shaved ice with ice cream on top, and our food items like our elote, our tostilocos with cueritos. Those are really Mexican traditions that we bring here to Arizona.
In Chandler, Nicole Gutierrez, ABC 15, Arizona.
Looks delicious, doesn't it? And their other concept lasting 15 years and going, that's remarkable. They're doing a lot right.
Oh yeah, they just keep spreading new locations. Great stuff, guys.